Welcome to the Pounders Painting Workshop, where we're in Hawaii learning about brushwork. Hi, I'm Richard Robinson. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to create beautiful brushwork in your painting. To me, beautiful brushwork has variety, unity, it has purpose and vigour. Up close, it should be an interesting, abstract collection of marks, which when you step back from the canvas, it all comes together into a beautiful painting. In this workshop, we're going to explore lots of different techniques of creating beautiful, interesting brushwork. So by the end of this workshop, you'll be able to use beautiful brushwork in all of your paintings. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. So happy painting, let's get started.